Driving around the Neenah Menashe area may get easier.
Yes, it just might. Work started today on a $475 million construction project there. The 441 and 441 interchange will be getting an overhaul. That includes upgrading the Roland Campo Memorial Bridge in the town of Menashe. A second bridge will also be built. Fox 11's Eric Peterson has more about the 5-year project.
For nearly 40 years, drivers have negotiated the interchange at highways 41, 10, and 441 in the town of Menashe.
I either have to go this way or I have to go that way, and I have to go all the way around, or I have to go through town, so it's kind of a hassle.
There is no access, so we desperately need that. We need to hook up Highway 10 and Highway 41, which we can't do at this point.
1, 2, 3. Work on that interchange began Wednesday with a ceremonial groundbreaking. Actual construction on the $475 million project starts later this summer.
To start moving the dirt around, putting down pavement, it's kind of like a puzzle piece where people are not going to necessarily see it right away, but when it's all done, you'll be able to go in any direction.
A new bridge will be built alongside the current bridge.
And that work's going to take over 2 years. And then once we complete that in 2016, we'll go about the business of revamping the existing Roland Campo Bridge, which is already 40 years old.
6 miles of Highway 441 will be widened to 6 lanes. There will be upgrades to exits at Oneida Street and Highway 47. Sharp turns near Racine Street and Midway Road will be smoothed out.
Softening those curves so that the posted speed will be 65 miles an hour through the entire stretch of 441.
It's a project area leaders say will be good for the local economy.
As companies look to locate in a particular area, they like to see investment and communities that invest in themselves.
In the meantime, people we talk to say the upgrades are needed.
It's going to be a little noisy here for a few years, but that's the price you pay for progress.
The project is expected to be complete in 2019. In the town of Menashe, Eric Peterson, Fox 11 News.
Just when drivers are getting used to the roundabout, this latest highway expansion plan includes a new interchange design for the area. It's called a diverging diamond. And to help drivers prepare, we're taking a closer look tonight. The diverging diamond will be located at the interchange of Highway 441 and Oneida Street in Menashe. It features 2 directions of traffic on Oneida Street that temporarily cross over to the left side of the road before crossing back. Now that allows for free-flowing turns when entering and exiting Highway 441. Drivers in this design, using this design, no longer have to cross opposing traffic to make that left-hand turn. The concept is designed to move a high volume of traffic without increasing the number of lanes and traffic signals.
When you see it from the kind of the street level perspective, it's really no different than approaching any other intersection. You'll just basically stop at the stop signal. You'll get into the lane that the signs and the pavement marking indicate for you to be in, which will be very much the same that you'd otherwise be in.
The diverging diamond interchange has been used in other states with great success. DOT officials say it is quicker for motorists, cheaper to build, and overall safer for drivers and pedestrians.